Here's how you can add color to your 3D model in Tinkercad. Click on the object, and when I click on my model right there, I get this menu where it says solid. So I click right here, and then I can choose reds or greens or whatever I want to do, maybe a little more subtle. And then this is super important when I go to export, to retain the color. Maybe I was confusing. Come here to export. To retain that color, I need to click on this .glb file. So if I click on that, it's preparing the model for export. And then, wherever it lands, when it exports, then, for example, if I upload this to Artsteps, it'll be green when it's in Artsteps. All right, there you have it.